Can you please state your name?
Hi, my name is Tara Evans.
And what brought you into our office?
I was having a lot of issues with my back and joints, and I started having a lot of autoimmune issues.
And what have you noticed since coming into our office?
I feel 100% better, and I think that it's really changed my life.
Yay. And who would you recommend to come into our office?
Anyone that's suffering from any kind of aches, pains, autoimmune issues, hurting, doesn't feel well.
Okay.
And I've looked all over and went to probably 15 different doctors, and this is the only place that made me feel well.
Great. That's awesome. Thank you.